Hi there, this is Kate. I'm going to show you how to put in maps, both embedding them and just inputting a link. We're starting off today in the navigation page on the right side drop down. So just a quick reminder, that's right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to check what action the spot where you're going to put in your map is. So this directions tab, this is where we're going to put it in. We're going to put it into multiple news. So that means we're going to embed it rather than just inputting the link. The only action that you are going to input a link instead of embed is the web link function. So since we've got this all set up and ready to go, this won't display in the app right now because the platforms are turned off. But if we come over here to the left side, we're going to go ahead and put in a map. So we're just going to pull from Google today. So it looks like Amy put this in about a day ago. So we're just going to, actually, we're going to create a new one. Hold on. So we'll create a new one from scratch. Okay. So when you're putting in a map and embedding it into the code, this is soft coding, which means that it will change automatically. And so what you're going to do is you're going to open up Google Maps. I already have it set to go, but I can show you how to do this. We're just going to go Google Maps, open up Google Maps, and type in the destination you want. We're going to use Disneyland because who doesn't love Disneyland? I know I do. So you're going to come to share. So this is where you would get the link if you're going to use that web link function. But here we're going to embed a map. So go ahead and click embed. And we're going to want this HTML right here. So we're going to copy that. And then we're going to come back to our post. And then this little source button, this is what creates a spot for us to put in code. So if at any time you wanted to add in code, if you wanted to embed a form or a map or an image, this is where you would go. So we are going to go ahead and click source and just paste in that code that we were given from Google Maps. And then we're going to click source again, and then it's going to bring up this iframe. So this iframe is how anything that's embedded will display when you're here in the back end. When you're on the phone in the front end, it will display the map and take you basically directly to this link. So we're going to just double check the sizing on this. So you go ahead and double click. The width is 300 and the height is 450. The size for any mobile phone pixels width is 300. So we're going to just have to adjust that. So we're just going to do the little math. Luckily, this is pretty easy math for us. We're just going to half it. And we're going to go ahead and enable scroll bars. What that means is if there's ever any information that goes bigger than this dimensions we've given, it will allow you to scroll through that, specifically the height. So we're going to go ahead and push OK. And as you can see, it has adjusted it. We're going to add in our image. Luckily, I've got a picture of Mickey Mouse on my computer. So, and then we're going to decide if we're going to publish it, if it wants to be members only, and then we will submit. Once you submit it, it will display on the phone. So we're going to have, this is our Disneyland directions that we just created, and we're going to go ahead and view that. So it's going to show the image that we put in there at the top, and then it has this map embedded. Something about embedding that allows you to do is that you can still add more information to that post. With a link, you will simply it'll simply open to that link, but when you embed something, it allows you to maybe give specific directions, where to turn, anything like that. And you can do this with videos. You can do this same thing with forms if you have anything like that. But this is simply how to do it with a map from Google Maps.